to our video, where we bring you delightful vegan recipes to elevate your cooking experience. Today, we're diving into the world of flavor with our vegan banana oat pancakes recipe. Not only are these pancakes a treat for your taste buds, but they're also packed with wholesome goodness. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, mashed 1 cup rolled oats, and ½ cup plant-based milk almond, soy, oat, etc., 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half teaspoon cinnamon, and a 4 teaspoon nutmeg, optional coconut oil for cooking, fresh berries, and maple syrup for topping. In a blender, combine mashed bananas, rolled oats, plant-based milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Blend until you have a smooth batter. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly grease with coconut oil. Pour pancake batter onto the skillet to form pancakes. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook the other side. Serve with fresh berries and maple syrup. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven, science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment or share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.